welcome back to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal. Hi Jessica.
Hey.
Guys, so this is a really big news that I trade my diamond egg. Now if you guys go to see in my channel in my first video, wait guys, if you get going to this video, you will see the diamond egg, right? And I forgot to screen. I forgot to record, so but I nearly get the pet Frost Dragon by adding right potion, 3 royal eggs, also a right dragon, and fly like kangaroo for it. I can't believe that he's really escaping the trade, because diamond egg, you guys know that the diamond pet are really lost a lot of wow, right? Guys, so maybe in the next video I'm going to be trying to making the neon first dragon in the next video. Also, now my friend Jessica, she is taking care of my pet Robo dog, trying to make it to full grown, and I'm going to be making it to neon, same as I'm thinking. Okay guys, I don't have the trade, but I can show you this, that I really did the trade. Okay, go to the trade line. This, I nearly trade my diamond egg, 5 potion, right dragon, 3 and 1 kangaroo for the Frost Dragon. So I think that's a good way, because when I trade in a pair, I must to add like a neon dragon with some more egg. But diamond pet are getting for free from the street, right? So I think that one is really nice as a thing. Okay guys, if you guys enjoyed my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, also like button please. I'm going to come to another amazing video. Like, cause I'm the trader, I'm not a trust trader or failed trader, but I'm a trader. It means that I like to trade my pet for any good pet. So let's see you guys in the next video. Bye. Jessica?
Yeah?
Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye.